Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Roselyn Gabayeron. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. Tonight I am going to make a homemade tomato sauce for the pasta. For the ingredients, I have here 10 fresh tomatoes or tomatoes, 1 big onion, 2 tablespoons fresh Italian parsley, 3 garlic cloves chopped, 1 carrot, 1 green bell pepper or green capsicum chopped. And also we need 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We need salt. I am running out of olive oil, so I'm gonna use the grapeseed oil. 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Alright guys, so we are going to start by plunging our tomatoes in boiling water. Okay, so we are going to plunge these tomatoes in the boiling water until you can see the skin. It's like they get cracked, or until na makikita nyo yung skin ng tomatoes paunti-unting tawag dito, parang ma-peel off siya. So we are plunging the tomatoes in the boiling water for 1 minute. Guys, okay, if you can see here, there's 1 tomato that's already cracked. Alright, so let's take out the tomatoes. So right here I have a bowl of ice water. So we're gonna plunge our boiled tomatoes in iced water. So that's easy to peel off the skin. And then after nito, you can squeeze out the seeds, or it's up to you. Pwede mong wag tanggalin yung seeds and then i-chop mo na. You see, it's very easy to peel off the skin, guys. There, just peel off the skin. Very easy. Using the food processor or chopper, we are going to chop the tomatoes. My chopper is really small actually. Okay, so I might just cut it into half. There you go. So I cut it into half because my chopper is really small. This is only good for 1 person actually, guys, because I'm alone. Char. Mag-isa. Anyway, I'm alone but not lonely. There you go. Alright. So I didn't squeeze out the seeds, guys. I think the rest of it I'm going to squeeze out the seeds. It's too much seeds. Let's repeat the process. Alright, now we are going to cook our tomato sauce. I'm sorry, the pot, I use it a lot, so that's why there's some stain, but it doesn't matter. So we're gonna pour our oil, 1 tablespoon of oil. I always use 1 tablespoon. Add in our veggies, our capsicum and carrots. Stir it for 1 minute and then add some of the herbs and our tomatoes. Let's simmer it for like 1 hour, guys. So it depends until the sauce becomes thick. So I don't really need it tonight, so that's why I cook it in advance. Sorry guys, I forgot to put bay leaves earlier. So let's just put the bay leaves. Alright guys, it's almost an hour that our tomato sauce is simmering. So we're gonna add in our tomato paste and Italian parsley. Okay, so let's add in a tiny bit of salt and it's ready. Yeah, so it's ready. So just discard the bay leaves. Alright guys, this is our tomato sauce. It looks like salsa too. What do you think? Tomato sauce or salsa? It's quite funny, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's yummy. And yeah, so if you don't want veggies in it, you can also yeah, you can just omit the veggies. And also if you want veggie for the kids, just blend it. Okay. Alright guys, that's all for tonight, and I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, Roselyn Gabayeron. And I just want to shout out to my friend, it's Jenny. Yeah, so hi Jen. So thank you so much for watching, and for the rest of my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting my channel through watching my videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Ciao! So I use my tomato sauce with this penne.